Good morning, champs. Today we solve a limit using a very important technique, factorization. We want to compute the limit as x approaches 2 of x squared minus 4 over x minus 2. Now the first thing we always try is direct substitution. So let's plug in x equals 2. We get 2 squared minus 4 over 2 minus 2. That gives 0 over 0. And this is important. This is called an indeterminate form. It means the expression is not defined in this form, so we need to simplify it first. Now we look at the numerator. X squared minus 4 is a difference of squares, so we can factor it as x minus 2 times x plus 2. Now rewrite the fraction. We get x minus 2 times x plus 2 over x minus 2. Now we can cancel the common factor x minus 2. So the expression simplifies to x plus 2. Now we try substitution again. Plug in x equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. So the limit is 4. Quick takeaway. If plugging in gives you 0 over 0, try factoring and simplifying before evaluating.